In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create horizontal scrolling images in Squarespace. If you've ever wondered how to make your website a bit more dynamic and visually stimulating, adding a horizontal scrolling image gallery could be just the perfect touch. It's an excellent way to display your portfolio, feature products, or share any collection of images in an interactive and engaging format. Let's dive right into this simple and effective process. First off, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. Once you're on the login page, click on the login button. This will lead you to the next screen where you'll want to select continue with Google. Simply click on that option and it will help you sign into your account swiftly using your existing Google credentials. With your login complete, you're directed to your dashboard where you'll see a list of your existing websites. Go ahead and click on your website, the one you plan to modify or add images to. This action will open up the editing interface tailored to your particular site. Now let's move to the editing process. Start by navigating to the edit option, which you'll find relatively easy on your Squarespace menu. Once you've opened the editing tools, your next step is to add a new section. Click on add section in your page editor, and this opens a variety of customizable sections you might want to add. To include images, click on the images tab. This feature is the gateway to creating your new scrolling gallery. Select Gallery View from the available options. This step ensures that your images will be organized in an attractive and accessible format. Moving forward, click on Edit section. This is where you'll fine-tune the settings of your image gallery. In the editing options, navigate to the Grid Simple drop-down. From this drop-down menu, choose Slideshow Simple. This setting will transform your grid layout into a sleek slideshow format perfect for horizontal scrolling. Next, you'll want to enhance the functionality of your gallery. Turn on the thumbnails option. Thumbnails provide a preview of each image, allowing visitors to browse through your gallery quickly and efficiently. To make your gallery truly come to life, click on the autoplay option. Enabling autoplay ensures your slideshow progresses automatically without needing manual navigation from your website visitors. Lastly, to ensure the pacing of your slideshow suits your audience, scale down the slide duration to a time that keeps the experience engaging without being too quick or too slow. Adjusting the duration helps create a delightful viewing rhythm that enhances the visitor experience. And there you have it. You've successfully created a horizontally scrolling image gallery on your Squarespace site. This captivating feature not only adds a dynamic visual element to your site, but also enriches how your audience engages with your content. Thanks for watching and happy creating.